steps with your requested introduction. Welcome to Education PNG YouTube channel. Before we go on to solving this question step by step, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. It really helps grow this educational channel. Now let's solve this question step by step. We are given that the polynomial p of x equals x3 plus ax squared minus bx minus 10 is divisible by x plus 1 and x minus 2. We need to find the values of a and b. Step 1, apply the factor theorem. The factor theorem states that if x plus 1 is a factor only of px, then p minus 1 equals 0. Also, if x minus 2 is a factor of px, then p2 equals 0. Or step 2, substitute x equals minus 1 into px, substituting 9 is 1 into the polynomial. 9 is 1, 3, plus a minus 1, 2, minus 1, minus 10 equals 0. Simplifying, 9 is 1 plus a plus b minus 10 equals 0. Combine like terms, a plus b minus 11 equals 0, text equation 1. Step 3, substitute x equals 2 into px, trieder. Substituting 2 into the polynomial, 2 squared 3 plus a of 2 squared minus b of 2 minus 10 equals 0. Simplifying, 8 plus 4a minus 2b minus 10 equals 0. Combine like terms, 4a minus 2b minus 2 equals 0. Divide by 2. 2a minus b minus 1 equals 0. Text step 4. Solve the two equations. From equation 1, a plus b equals 11. Substitute b equals 11 minus a into equation 2. 2a minus 11 minus a minus 1 equals 0. Simplifying, 2a minus 11 plus a minus 1 equals 0. 3a minus 12 equals 0. 3a equals 12. Quad a equals 4. Substitute a equals 4 into equation 1. 4 plus b equals 11. Right quad b equals 7. Step 5, final answer. The values of the constants are boxed a equals 4, text and quad b equals 7.